Hi guys, good afternoon. It's us again. Welcome to our channel. Today I will teach you how to cook rice in the simplest and easiest way using the microwave oven. Because I'm not really a fan of rice cooker. I'm not really anti rice cooker, but since few years ago I'm already using microwave instead of rice cooker and use cooking rice. So I have here white rice. I am advising white rice for this method because I did not try brown rice yet. And all you need is this kind of glass. Pyrex glass is really good for microwave oven. I have tried this kind of bowl also. This was also good. It did not break down anyway. So, and a rice cooker cup. Now normally for the four of us, I am my puto baba. I am sorry guys. Making 3 to 4 cups and a half of rice. So that is 1, 2, 3. I will just make it 4. I will bring some to my work tomorrow. 4. And for the water measurement, it depends on you. If you like to have a little bit of dry and sticky rice, then you have to stick with this is 4 cups, so you just only use 4 cups of water. But in my case, with us in our family, we like a little bit soft but not too soft. It's just in the middle. So I'm putting 2 extra water cups in it in order for us to have the best result of the rice. So we will put some water in it. 1, 2, 3. That was 4, and now I have to add 2 more extra water. And 6. So I will show you how it looks now. And now we have to put it in a microwave oven. Put it open it up. Put the ball in. And for 4 cups, I'm normally cooking it for 15 to 20 minutes. I will just check it later when it's already 15 minutes, when it's okay or not. Otherwise, I will let it cook until 20 minutes. So that's it. Microwave oven on. Set it for 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes. Hi guys, as what you have seen, we only have 4 minutes and 35 seconds left from the 20 minutes that we have a while ago. Now I will just check it and show it to you. How does it look when it's already 15 minutes? That is our rice now at this point of time. I think it's quite ready. I will just let it cook for 2 more minutes and it's pretty good. Two more minutes. Okay. Hi guys, the 2 minutes was over, so I will take my rice from the oven. Look. All in all, I already cooked this one for 17 minutes. So easy as that. It's steaming, and it's so beautiful. So For those who didn't try it, try this at home. And come, let's eat. And with that, because we are Filipino, I would love to eat rice with salmon. I have baked salmon too for us. So I will ask my guest, my tester later, how does the rice taste. So we will enjoy our dinner. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. It's Liam Boy. Come Liam. It's Liam Boy. Dutch-Filipino. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's eat. We can eat. Do you like rice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Doy.
Hi.
Doy hi. Hi guys, here we are again. We are already eating the rice that we have cooked a while ago. Rich, how do you find it?
Yummy.
And Liam? Rice lekker? That is taste. Is that tasty? Nak? Lekker? Rice lekker? He's not talking anymore because he's already focused on eating.